Now I will show how to create shortcuts to specific settings. First, we display the control panel and open the Customize Control Panel window, where we create a new tab for the settings. We then select all the settings one by one that might need to be changed for the acquisition of reverberation time, like the total number of slices that will be collected in the waterfall. We change the label of the setting to recognize quickly what it represents. In the 1/n octave plugin settings, we select the mode of the CBB filters that can be octave or 1/3 octave. We also add the random noise parameters as the type of noise, that is usually white. The RMS level of the output signal, and the mute all setting that will be used to start or stop the generated noise. Now the selected settings are accessible from the control panel.